Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So when you try to basically enter the game, sometimes even you cannot see this even play option here, or you can get the error here on the top middle that says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings, and super easy fix to that. So first of all, what you need to do here, if you're playing on a Roblox player on your PC, you need to close it down and then go to browser, log into your account, and then on the top right corner you should see your icon. You need to go to settings, and then you need to go to privacy, and then make sure that account restrictions are disabled here, and then you need to go to parental controls and make sure to use this option here, 13+, suitable for ages 13 and older, right? And after you do so, then you need to basically try if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then try to basically log out from your account and log in again, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.